Magandang araw po. Ako po si Eunice at ako po ay magbibigay ng aking short testimony about tithes and offering. So for me, giving my tithes and offering has become a joyful act of worship to the Lord. As I understood that uh, giving is an act of trust and obedience to God, as Proverbs 3 verse 9 says, "Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the first fruits of all your crops," or income ang nakalagay po. So, as I continue giving my tithes and offering, so na-experience ko po yung something na powerful, which is yung pagbabago ng aking kaisipan or shifting of my mindset. After giving my tithes and offering, I find myself asking God kung saan ko pa mailalagay or mailalaan yung remaining income na meron ako for a greater impact. So I realized that giving tithes and offerings isn't just about doing it once. It's not the end of obedience to God. So hindi pala siya yung okay, sige, nagbigay ako ng tithes and offering, and then yung remaining na funds na meron ako ay ako na bahala, or ako na yung bahalang nagde-decide kung saan ko ilalaan ito, saan ko gagastusin. So hindi pala siya ganun. So obeying God is in tithes and offering give me the opportunity to experience God's guidance on where to allocate the remaining funds for a more meaningful purpose. I learned that giving is not just about an action, but a mindset of trusting God to guide me on how to use my resources wisely. So kung gusto mo rin, kung ikaw ay nagnanais na magkaroon ng pagbabago ng iyong kaisipan, magabayan ka ng Panginoon sa iyong finances, then I encourage you to give your tithes and offering to the Lord.